Hello, this is Manesh Patel with IMTF Trade. Today is January 17, 2019. What we're doing is yesterday we did a 5-minute workshop on how to find bullish and bearish setups for any instrument and different time frames. And then we even sat there in the end, showed you how to find a multiple time frame setup and so forth through the scanner, and it was all for free. Today I'm going to take you one step further and show you a live pullback trade that we found from the scanner. Yesterday we showed you to sit there and look for a green shaded area, a bullish setup on the daily time frame, and then sit there and also look for a green shaded area on a 60-minute. This is an opportunity that showed up this morning. This is EW here. Okay, so you could see that this is the chart here. This is the IMTF indicator. There's a green shaded area right there, and I'll show you the daily in just a moment. You could see in this green shaded area, we had these multiple time frame supports. I like the crosses in there, which is telling me basically that when the swing and long-term traders are thinking the same way, and you could see these dots right there is when the day and swing are thinking the right way. So this is basically my pullback entry right there. My green dots right there are my initial stop, and then you could sit there and see that I'm trying to target this pivot high. There's a lot of bleeps up here. I'm just going to sit there and simply take it to there. And if you look to there, this is basically a 4-to-1 reward risk ratio. So this is a 400% return on the risk I'm taking. This is high probability scenario there. The good thing is that when it gets here, I don't have to get out of the trade. I could tighten up my stop. I could take 50 and 75% of my positions off and tighten up my stop, and whatever may be the case. And you could see already it's held the level here, and you could see it's already coming up to here. So we're doing really good on this trade so far. Okay, if you look at the daily, I'll show you the daily time frame here too. Let's squeeze this thing out, and you could see right there, there's the shaded area. So this was a very simple scan of looking for free for a daily green shaded area, and then looking also at the same time for a 60-minute shaded area. Boom, that was it. And then we sat there. Normally we'll sit there and look at breakout trades, but this one we had some multiple time frame supports. So basically we sat there and put a pullback order on this trade right there, so it looks good. But the breakout order would be right there, and you can see slowly it's coming up to that level there. If it breaks out, this actually gets past the 400% return, which is really good. Hope you guys enjoyed it. If you guys have any questions, email us at info@eiicapital.com.